Robin, what are you doing? Are you making a necklace? Whoa. Show me your necklace.
Okay, show Mom what you made. Right here. You can show that one, and you can show this one.
What is it? What is it, Robin? A necklace? Oh, it's so pretty.
There you go.
Oh, I love it. Good job.
Yeah, she put it on and went and looked in the mirror. She's like, ooh.
Ooh, is it pretty? Robin, say, ooh, it's pretty. Oh, it's nice. Say, ooh, it's nice. It's so nice. Can you say peace out, dude? Wait, say it again. I gotta get at your face. Can you say, peace out, dude?
Peace out, dude.
Good job. What's Sadie doing over here? Hi, Sadie Mae. Are you watching your sister make necklaces?
Bunny on there.
Yeah. Say okay, bye-bye.
And it goes